Hello everyone. Today we're going to see about chapter 1, crop protection and management from NCERT book grade 8. So now let's move on to introduction. Crop protection involves the growing of plants for food and fiber. Proper management of crops includes a series of activities such as soil preparation, sowing, irrigation, weed management, harvesting, and storage. And this chapter is about crop protection and its management. Content 1, agricultural practices. In this topic, you can learn about types of crops and their uses. Types of crops. There are two types of crops, kharif and rabi crops. Kharif crops that are grown in the rainy season are called kharif crops. Their time period is from June to September. Example, maize, soybean, groundnut, cotton. And rabi crops that are grown in the winter season are called rabi crops. Their time period is from October to March. Example, wheat, gram, pea, mustard, and linseed. Fine, now let's know about what are crops. Crops are nothing but plants that are cultivated and grown by humans for food, fiber, or other useful products. So next, content 2, basic practices of crop protection. In this topic, you can learn about different types of basic practices of crop protection. Number 1, preparation of soil. So what is preparation of soil? It is nothing but the process of making the soil suitable for plant growth by loosening it, leveling the surface, and removing weeds and rocks. So by loosening the soil, it can give growth for plants. And next, leveling the surface. Leveling the surface means evening out the soil, like aiding in sowing and irrigation. And then removing weeds and rocks. And if it contains weeds can affect the growth of plants, and so we are removing the weeds. And rocks can also affect the growth of plants. And number 2, sowing. So what is sowing? So sowing is a very simple process. So it's like process of planting seeds in the soil for the purpose of growing crops. Number 3, adding manure and fertilizer. So now let's see what is manure and what is fertilizer. Manure is organic material obtained from the decomposition of plant or animal waste, and it is used to improve soil fertility and provide essential nutrients to plants. Fertilizers are chemical substances that are rich in specific nutrients. They are used to supplement the soil with essential nutrients that may be lacking, promoting plant growth and increasing crop yield. Next, we are going to see about the difference between fertilizer and a manure. Fertilizer are man-made inorganic salts, and manure are natural substance from decomposition. Fertilizer are factory produced and manure are prepared in fields or pits. Fertilizers are rich in specific nutrients and manure are less in rich nutrients, provides humus. Number 4, irrigation. What is irrigation? Irrigation is the supply of water to crops at regular intervals. Number 5, protecting from weeds. So, protection from weeds means removing unwanted plants. Weeds can affect the growth of plants. Number 6, harvesting. What is harvesting? Harvesting is the process of cutting and gathering mature crops from the field. Number 7, storage. So, storage in crop refers to the process of preserving harvested crops in a suitable environment to maintain their quality and prevent spoilage. Content 3, preparation of soil. One of the most important tasks in agriculture is to turn the soil and loosen it. The top layer of soil supports plant growth and is rich in nutrients. The loose soil allows the roots to penetrate and breathe easily, even when they go deep into the soil. The loosened soil helps in the growth of earthworms and microbes present in the soil. The process of loosening and turning the soil is called tilling or plowing. This is done by using a plow that is made of wood or iron. If the soil is very dry, it may need watering before plowing. The plowed field may have big pieces of soil called crumbs. It is necessary to break these crumbs with a plank. The field is leveled by a leveler for sowing as well as for irrigation purposes. Content 4, agricultural implements. So from the topic of the content 4, agricultural implements, you can know about the meaning that implements means a tool or equipment that is used to do a particular purpose. Like agriculture implements means a tool, not a tool, tools that use it to do a particular purpose for agriculture. So in this content we are going to see that the tools, what are the tools and what is the reason we are using the tools in the agriculture. We're going to see it. So first of all, this chapter is based on agriculture. So now let's know what is agriculture. So agriculture is the process of cultivating land and producing crops for food. Okay, now let's move on to agricultural implements. So this tool is named as plow. So everyone know plow. So plow is a traditional tool made of wood or iron used for tilling. So this tool is named as hoe. Hoe is a simple tool for removing weeds and loosening the soil. So this tool is named as cultivator. Tractor driven modern tool for plowing, saves labor and time. So next contents are sowing, adding manure and fertilizers, irrigation, protecting from weeds, harvesting and storage. But we have seen these contents in content 2 of basic practices of crop protection. So no need of these again. So in this video I have taught you that about crop protection and management. So I just taught you about the basics of this chapter, and there are also some extra learnings in this chapter, but our videos are just about the basics and no need of confusing it yourselves. So now let's move on to next content, animal husbandry. What is animal husbandry? Animal husbandry is the practice of rearing animals for food and other products on a large scale. In simple words, we can tell it as management and care of farm animals for milk, egg or meat. I hope this video might help you, and this is my first teaching video. Hope I tried my best. If you have any doubts in this chapter, you can ask it in the comment. So thank you for watching this video.